Children, here we have this video today on mole concept. We will be doing some numericals on mole concept. Suppose this question, how many atoms of each elements are there in 9.8 gram of sulfuric acid. How many atoms of each element are there in 9.8 gram of sulfuric acid? So we have to find out number of atoms of hydrogen, number of atoms of sulfur, number of atoms of oxygen present in 9.8 gram of sulfuric acid. So we have to proceed like this. First, H to the 4, we have to calculate its molar mass, 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16. Molar mass will come out to be 98. Okay. So next what we have to do, we have to find out number of gram molecules or moles. Number of gram molecules or moles, that we know it is relation I have given is mass of the substance in grams, which is 9.8, and divided by molecular mass in grams, molecular mass is 98. So it will come out to be 0.1. So number of H2SO4 molecule will be 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, because we know 1 mole has this many particles. So 0.1 mole will have this many molecules. So we have this many molecules of sulfuric acid, which is on simplifying 22. Now since you see the formula, this formula tells us that 1 molecular sulfuric acid has 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, 4 atoms of oxygen. So we can write the number of hydrogen atom will be, since we have this molecule and 1 molecule has 2 atoms of hydrogen, so answer will be 2 into this one. Similarly, number of sulfur atom will be same as this much atoms, and number of oxygen atom will be 4 into 23. So this is the answer that we will be writing. So now let us do another question. So our next question is saying calculate the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. Calculate the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So, how will we be doing this? We have to calculate mass of one atom of carbon. Yes, we can proceed in this way. You know, since atomic mass of carbon is 12, we can say that 1 gram atom or 1 mole is equivalent to 12 gram of carbon. So this very important thing we are able to write from mole concept, or since 1 mole has in it is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, and here the particle is atom. This much atoms has mass 12 gram. You can say this much atom has mass 12 grams. So therefore, one atom, we are asked to find mass of one atom. So one atom will have mass 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is 10 to the power minus 23 if this goes up. And I think 12 divided by 6.022, if you simply calculate, you will get this much value. 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. So this is the answer. So once again I am telling you here, atomic mass and mass of one atom of the element are entirely different things. Mass of one atom, it means absolute mass. Mass of one atom means absolute mass of one atom of the element. Whereas atomic mass means it is relative mass. Okay, now let me introduce to you this term, atomic mass unit, which is in short called AMU. The definition of atomic mass unit is it is 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon isotope is called 1 AMU. So if in exam question comes define AMU, then you have to write this thing, 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So let us try to find out this value in gram. So 1/12 into, now we need to write down here mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. Now you see we already have found before mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope, this value. So let us write down these values. So 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23. This much grams. So now this one we can write as 19.9 by 12 into, since I have multiplied this quantity by 10, then I have to divide this quantity by 10, then it will become 10 to the power minus 24 grams. So, and if you divide 19.9 by 12, I think you will get around 1.66. So 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So this is 1 AMU. 1 AMU in gram is this much. Okay, now children, we know the definition of atomic mass. Atomic mass, is also known as relative atomic mass. So, atomic mass was defined like this. Mass of an atom of the element, mass of an atom of the element divided by 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. Okay, so this is the definition of atomic mass. So if you see the denominator here, you see denominator, this one, and you see AMU, same thing. Denominator and AMU, same thing. So if I write this one, mass of an atom of the element divided by 1 AMU. So on rearranging we can write mass of one atom of element is equal to atomic mass into 1 AMU. That is atomic mass in AMU. So you see, this is what we have arrived at. Mass of one atom of element is atomic mass in AMU. Let me illustrate with this point. Suppose we know this atomic mass of sulfur is 32. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. And if I write, like here it is atomic mass in AMU, if I write here 32 AMU, it actually means what? Mass of one atom of sulfur is equal to 32 AMU. Sometimes you will see like this written in book or in questions. So whenever in AMU is given, like this, you should understand that it is a mass of one atom of the element. Another example, iron, we know atomic mass of iron is 56, no unit. Now if 56 AMU, we are talking about 56 AMU, then 56 AMU will be mass of one atom of iron. So mass of one atom of iron is 56 AMU. So now let us take up another question, numerical. So suppose the question is mass of an atom of an element X is mass of an atom of an element X is say 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. It is given. What is its atomic mass? What is its atomic mass? So here, since mass of one atom is given, so we have to find out mass of Avogadro's number of atom. So one atom mass is 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So Avogadro's number of atoms will have mass 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So which comes out to be 2.8 into 6.022. This cancels. So you multiply this, you will get the answer in grams. You get the answer in grams. And since this much is gram atom, this much is 1 mole. So whatever you get here on multiply, that will be the atomic mass of the element. That will be the atomic mass of the element. So children, like that, there are many questions that we need to solve on mole concept. Okay, and then only you will be able to fully understand this mole concept. So this much for now in this video. Thank you for listening and bye bye.